So guys, I'm sorry, I repeated that, but you can hear him, my brother, in the background, and you see this? It's a ZTE Prestige Android, and you know how your phone doesn't turn on all the time, hold it in this power button, nothing's going, not holding in it. So what you need to do is take off the back, and you take out the battery. Then you take the memory card that should be...
I know what he's going to say. Oh, sorry.
I'm sorry, guys. My brother's in the background, but there he is. There's light. There's a big glare right there. It's my light, and
Here, I'll take that light bulb out quick, so it's not like such a freaking. Oh, sorry. So it's not such a big light. Here, let me do it. Probably gonna be burning, but
just turn off the lights real quick.
do it for the night.
I'm sorry, guys. All right, guys. So yeah, I'm sorry for that. But you have to take the battery out. This battery, and then you need to take the memory card out. Not the SD, but this little precious white thing, and then blow all over. And then once you're done, you gotta put the SD card back in. And this phone is dead right now, so it may not turn on, I'm just saying. Or it will go to ZTE and turn right back off. Alright, I'm getting it back in there. Now we have that back in. Now we need to put the battery back in. You have this part. And blow in the back because it may be dusty. And there you have it. Oh, it's too bright, but it's turned on right now. Like, you literally saw me pressing in this button right here earlier and nothing happened. Then I take the SD card out and put it back in, and boom. That's all you basically need to do, but it works. Sorry that might be a big glare to your eyes, but that's how you fix these phones whenever they just don't turn on right. So, hope you enjoyed, and I hope it works for you. I swear this was not like a cheat, and I didn't grab another phone that looks exactly like it, because that would just be retarded. Like,
I have a phone that looks exactly like it.
Well, yeah, I'm recording on his phone that looks exactly like it.
No, it's because I have...
See, it's still turning on, like... But...
And his phone needs a rest, so it needs to charge, right?
Yeah, and then, obviously, I won't be able to record if this one's dead. I'll tell you if it's dead and show you, too. It's loading. Just tap quickly. And then it gets it to, like, refresh, I don't know. But, yeah. I can't believe it works, but I am a genius about this kind of stuff. Because I'm Magic Man. Still at this point. I probably have a password on it. I'm not sure, and I hope... And just let it load for now. And then life hack of the day, I'm just gonna do one. It's this one. Which one?
Make sure you double tap. Like you changed the setting.
Why?
So, like when you double tap your phone, it would turn on.
No, not that one.
Oh.
Just don't listen to what he's saying. So this is the right one, and I can notice that because there's a knot here, and I don't have to look. And this one doesn't have a knot. And see, it's half charged, too. So, You know, my boy.